What's up, guys? My name's Bill the Kid, and I'm here with my best friend, Freshie, also known as.
Ray's Gaming.
We're gonna play some Roblox Natural Disaster. This is our fourth time I've recorded for Roblox video because
Yeah, because you're
a lot of
an
stuff
idiot.
happened.
Yeah, by the way, the person in the background is our cat named Evie. She can draw. We'll link her channel in the description. I'll also link mine.
Also, Kai Game was supposed to join us. He's gonna join us our next Roblox video. So watch out for it.
Oh, wait,
Where is JoJo at?
I knew she was gonna join.
Oh, there she goes! Oh, God!
I knew she was gonna join. I knew Evie was gonna join. This is our cat, by the way. Dodge is a dog YouTuber. Yes, that's our cat. Even though she hates dogs.
I know my butt cheek is awesome, but you don't have to touch it.
Yo, Billy, that's kind of ew.
Dude,
What the hell? Did you see mine, bro? I have better ones than you.
Dude,
why are we talking about butts now? Why are we talking about butts now?
Oh no.
What happened? Yeah, it's just sus now. The video's sus now.
Okay, so Evie, tell us about your artwork. Tell us about your artwork, Evie. She did.
Why?
I didn't know suicide.
Yeah.
She just committed suicide. Evie,
yeah, she just wanted to talk about it, but she's pretty good though. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not.
Pretty good.
Yes, you are. Stop doubting yourself. I'll kick you in your little forehead.
Out there.
No,
you're definitely on. I've drawn Among Us characters, but I'm definitely not the worst.
I'm the worst at drawing. If I ever do a draw my life, it's gonna be awful. Oh yeah, cool.
If I was supposed to do a draw my life, I would have to get better at drawing because like I can't really draw stuff normally without like searching on YouTube how to do it.
I can't draw. Period. I can't draw. I can't even draw a line without messing up.
What?
I'm bad at artwork.
Oh dang.
My brother is better than me at artwork. He tries.
I mean, I can show you a bunch of my artwork. I'm pretty good at drawing.
Well, I gotta watch his Evie stuff for tutorials. Watch Evie for
yeah, she should make a tutorial how to draw those stuff for you.
Evie, do a live stream.
Yeah.
Earthquake. Ah! There is no inside. There is no inside. It cheated me. I'm inside already. I'm gonna die.
I'm inside, but I was at the top, but I hopped out. Dude, I'm outside now.
It put me inside and it shot me out like a cannon.
Wait, I'm taking damage for some reason.
Yeah, they picked a bad map where there is no inside at all.
I'm outside.
Everyone just died.
Oh!
Mark! It's my good friend Mark. Hey, Mark.
Oh my god, he's pushing me.
For some reason, they picked us the worst map to ever do that, huh?
Oh god, I'm jumping off of stuff. I'm doing parkour.
Buddy dying.
Hey, look, I see you already. I see you too. Girl, get off
yes,
my
people.
screen.
Oh my god, damn, girl, she thick. She thick, bro. Look at that.
Why talking about thick in my channel?
Bro. I know what. I just have to admire it, bro, because like.
Always have to admire.
She come from jail, but so you know she's hard. That was terrible. I'm never gonna speak again.
There's something wrong with my character.
Let me just shut up now. I'm just gonna shut up now.
There's something absolutely wrong with my character.
Did I die? I might have died because I had to mute my mic.
So you're dead now. Who survived?
No, I'm alive. Evie's alive. Are you dead?
I've been dead ever since that thing fell.
Oh god. Yeah, it fell and then I jumped out of it without dying somehow.
Dude, they had me on the ground.
Hold up, I have to kill myself. I
couldn't escape.
I had to sacrifice my own life for child support.
You got child support?
Evie said no. It's her first word. I can't finally said a word.
What?
Why is my name Pink?
She's probably
okay, make it to the top. Make it to the top, man. Never gonna stop. Hey.
Nah, I'm not going to the top because who the
Oh yeah,
knows what's
remember
gonna
last
happen.
time? Remember last time you tried to make it to the top, you died instantly.
Yeah, I need die immediately. I'm not going up there.
I'm going up there. If it's a flash flood,
You're
you
gonna
dead,
die.
baby.
But if
I
it's a
say
flash flood, I'm
you
gonna have to hurry up and climb.
Oh, I'm
if
at the
you have to
top. I'm at
go
the
up
top, and I'm
there,
never gonna stop.
because every
Hey.
time you go up there, you die.
Exactly. So I'm like, nah. Me and my cat are good.
Okay. Want me the first one ever to survive? And if it's
I'll
lightning,
be
I'm gonna run.
surprised if this
Dude, stop
Nilly
trying to push me off the
survives.
edge. Stop trying to put me off the edge, you
Damn,
loser.
girl, she fit.
Yes!
Ah! Ah!
Oh, you
Get away, stupid cat! She's blocking it.
Oh, I'm psychic. I'm
Oh,
psychic.
great. I'm gonna die. It's not
Oh,
letting
someone
me
just
up
came
the
in.
ladder.
Ah!
Someone just
Oh,
came
I
in.
made it out. I made it out.
Yeah, you out here.
Can we
Where's the
just?
cat? Where's the cat?
The cat's down there. The cat's gonna die.
The cat don't like
Yeah,
water
it's
though.
not letting me up the ladder.
These
Oh
guys
God!
pushing me.
He's
Don't put it
dying!
in
She's
Don't put
gonna
it
die!
Evie, don't
We're gonna
die.
die!
No, I'm going
You're not gonna
straight for
die.
it.
Calm down.
Evie! Help! Evie! Evie's gonna die! No, our cat! Our cat!
You just get it. Oh no! Oh no!
No! I died! I fell through the middle and died!
I'm alive, baby. I'm alive.
How did you live?
I don't know. I know why. I landed on your body part.
Oh, oh my God.
When you died, I survived. You died, I survived.
You pushed me, bro.
Dude, they pushed me a lot. Oh, I survived. Oh no, that's some that good stuff.
I see you down
That's
there.
good. Hey, you wanna hear something funny? I was still muted. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just
Fine
kidding.
Dining
Just
City.
kidding.
I was about to say.
Just kidding.
I was legit about to throw a fake. Cause I'm like, nah, I'm not doing this again.
Dude. I'm serious. It is recording. It is recording. Recording our
Thank God.
voices. I seen the file. I seen the whole entire file. Hey, Fresh, are you
Launch
recording
line.
this? Are you recording this, Freshy?
No, I'm not.
Oh, look in that rocket. I don't care. if
Yeah,
they kill.
no, the rocket kills you, remember?
I sacrificed my life for child support.
Hey, don't steal my line.
Yeah, you already know I'm gonna do that.
No! I said, I'll sacrifice my own life for child support.
Go.
It's my line.
Go.
Plus, you can't even do the voice. You can't even do the voice.
Yes, my voice is
I
too low.
sacrifice my own life
Oh,
for
no!
child support.
I need to die.
Watch it take off and people die.
Oh, look at her. Who this?
So, you know, all of them just said, I sacrifice my own life
Oh,
for
no.
child support.
Oh no.
God.
Oh no. Hey, Evie.
We're
run.
dead!
Tornado.
We're dead!
Totally
Tornado. God, tornado. I should really buy.
I jumped off. I'm running from the tornado.
Stop following me, Billy.
I'm not gonna follow you.
Oh! Got kitty cats.
I'm gonna get
push
wrecked by this
off.
tornado. Help me.
Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh, it's coming! It's coming! Oh no, it's coming!
I don't wanna
It's coming.
die.
Run!
This guy.
Ah! It's all me! Oh god! Oh no! Why does it keep getting closer to me?
It caught me.
Oh look at it!
It took my
Samantha! Billy, get over here!
It took
Is
my
that you?
sunglasses. It took my sunglasses.
Ah! Oh god!
No.
Oh god, stuff is flying over my head.
I don't wanna
I'm
live without my
scared.
sunglasses.
I'm actually scared.
I don't want to live without my sunglasses.
Oh god! It's coming! It's coming! It's coming!
I don't want to live without my sunglasses.
We're acting over dramatic over a game.
Ah!
Billy is
Where'd your
I don't
hair
know.
go?
I didn't know what she means. I already know what she means, so I'm not even gonna say it. It's a child-friendly nonsense.
I miss my.
Evie just got smacked by one of the things and like fell.
You meant my sunglasses.
What happened to your blonde hair? Your fake blonde hair?
It was a wig. I'm actually.
Yeah, the wig.
My
And then he lost his ugly glasses. Now you can only see his ugly eyes. No, not ocean eyes, ugly eyes.
Dude, it's just a
He
happy,
jumped off.
friendly smile. That's
I don't
all it
want to
is.
buy
A
this. I just
happy,
want to
friendly
hide behind you.
smile.
Bye, Millie. I just watched somebody
Who the
die.
hell is Millie?
Look,
Ah! No, 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 no! Respawn, 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 respawn!
it's little Millie.
No! Oh my god, someone pushed me off and then I didn't respawn on the map.
Oh, someone just had to get. There's a noob holding a sword here. I swear to God. If we have a flash flood, we're gonna die.
No,
Oh my
we won't die.
Y'all guys
god.
gonna die. I'm not gonna die.
Oh my god.
This is acid rain.
I swear to God. If it is, we got nowhere to hide.
Mm-hmm.
So fast you. Ah, that's the rain!
Imagine being alive.
Imagine me
I'm
dead.
heading out. Bye.
Evie, come back. I need my cat. I need my cat. I can't fit. I'm too tall.
That's your fault.
It's not my fault I'm tall. It's James' fault.
You have to make yourself.
James Swan.
Tell me I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm not done. Girl, get me underneath here. I need this form. Hey,
What if I kill myself?
kill yourself, then. Sacrifice your own life. For what, Freshy?
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna
Do
die.
it. Do it.
No.
Do it. Baby, get off my back. Oh no. 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 I'm
We're
dead.
all dead.
Evie, you just jumped on my dead body. You just jumped on my dead body. What's wrong with you?
Holy crap.
You think I care?
Oh damn.
This tree is the sake of my life right now.
This tree is a sacred life. But you know, and I kept
Why
the
does
time
it keep asking me
not
to
hide
friend
under
people?
trees. Hey Evie, I got a question. Are you a cat or are you a dog?
My Roblox skin?
Yes. What are you?
A gato?
A dactyl?
I didn't cut the job at the Krusty Krab, so I started cutting myself.
Hood rat, SpongeBob.
It's pretty obvious it's a cat.
Emo SpongeBob. Did I get pushed off?
Yes. No.
Murder everybody in Diamond
Not
City.
yet. Not yet. Okay.
Oh, cause I was just on Discord. I was bored. Alright,
No, man.
let's live in the house, guys.
No, man.
I'm murdering everyone.
Wait, what, Evie? You a
Time to
murderer,
die.
Evie. I wish I
It's
could-
gonna be the freezing thing.
I hope not.
Oh wait, no it isn't. No, yes it is. It's gonna be the blizzard. Evie, come on, go under the
Oh,
stairs.
sorry.
Ah, I'm gonna die.
Hug me! Hug me!
I'm about to
I'm
die.
cold.
Ew.
Hug me!
Hug me.
Yes.
Please. One of y'all
Yes,
guys hug
Evie.
me. Ah,
Yes.
yes. Yes.
Yes. No. What is this? Yes. Yes.
This looks very inappropriate.
Just hug me. God. I don't wanna die.
This guy on top of your head. There's a guy on top of your head.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
This
My name is exposed.
yo. 5 guys, 1 girl.
I died. No. There's 3 guys and 1 girl.
She went silent real quick. Oh.
Oh no.
Yeah, that was pretty awkward.
Oh,
Oh, it's coming inside.
yeah.
I'm not dying though. I'm not dying though.
Dying. Look, now it's 2 girls, 3 boys. Oh no! What the?
Help me! Help me! I'm out here! Help me!
What just
Help
happened?
me! Help me! I'm holding the stick now. I'm on the stick now.
How did
Yo,
I
yo,
die?
Bill, look at me, bro. Look
How
at
did
me.
I
I got.
die? How did I die? I just fell off the map. The Blitz said,
Oh
hey,
God.
that's cheating. He just kicked me out the map along with that guy.
Hawaii. Oh God. Hug me.
Don't hug him. Don't hug him.
Yes.
How y'all guys survive?
Yes.
How did y'all guys survive?
Yay.
It killed me.
We didn't
and
get
that
thrown off
guy.
the map. We just kept on hugging.
It
Let me
kicked
die.
me
I
off the
gotta
map.
reset.
How did you survive?
Imagine dying.
Imagine being gay.
Reset for your health.
You know some people's gonna be triggered at that joke.
I know, but I'm just gonna edit this whole entire map out anyway. Cause my stream should come on turning off, so I have to edit that whole stuff out.
Ow!
I'm gonna edit out that
I hit
stream too,
myself.
but what the?
I hit myself. I sacrificed my own life for child support. I bet none of you can do that voice.
No one's can do that voice. Okay, I think I'll get a crumpet.
Oh, yeah, Billy, try to do that voice.
I sacrificed my own life for child support.
Ew, what the
Too
fuck?
high.
No,
It's too high, isn't it? Computer,
too high.
why come on shutting off?
It's supposed to be like pretty medium, I guess.
Fire.
I sacrificed my own life for child support. You also need like the lie
Get
and
inside!
stuff.
Get inside! Help me! Help me! Someone please!
I mean, I'm already
damage from
outside.
something. Help me! Okay.
How about I don't?
Evie, you care about me. Evie, I'm your owner. I give you food.
Ah!
What did you
I give you
say?
How did I die? How did I die?
Yes!
I died.
Get away, get away, get away.
How did y'all survive?
How did I
Get
die?
away from me, Sim.
Sam! I ain't no Sam.
Yes, you are. God, give her all your money,
Turn it off.
Sam.
I've been recording for too long.
What?
What's happening? My computer keeps turning off. It might be inside the editing too. I don't know what's happening.
So you're just gonna have to end it. End it.
Hold up, after this round, and I gotta see my outro.
Okay.
You have an outro?
Yeah, you haven't watched my videos to the end?
No, I don't.
You are a
because I
bad
don't care.
friend, Evie. I watch your videos to the very end. So do I do fresh.
Why?
Cause I'm a good friend.
He
And
is.
for Luffy. And Luffy just did our Fortnite content. Help me! I feel something over my
All of
screen,
he watches
too.
is just.
Yeah, it's been an hour. We have to stop the recording. You're gonna have to cut a lot of it out.
I know it. I've only been recording for about 18 minutes now. Okay,
18
guys.
minutes. What? Like Luffy says, we've been on Roblox for an hour.
Yeah.
My dad just on my computer.
Cut this
Okay.
part out, though. Cut this part out.
Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
Yeah, like and subscribe,
Don't
bros.
check out-
Like and
don't
subscribe.
check out-
I'm his hype man. Like and subscribe right now, guys. Like and subscribe. And if you don't, this spider will be under your bed.
And also,
Like, make sure you like
don't
and
forget to check out
subscribe.
this channel.
Like,
He
do not
posts out some
forget.
good
Do not
content.
dislike
Don't
because
forget to
you
check
will
out
be
my
eaten.
cat's channel of drawing.
And check out my channel. Check out my channel, Les Gaming. It's gonna be in the description, right, Billy?
Yes, it will.
No,
Maybe.
it won't.
And at this point, fuck me.
Alright, guys. Hope you have a fantastic day and a fantastic life. Goodbye.
I can't wait to watch that over.